How to download or save videos from DramaBox. So you might be trying to save these videos to watch offline, and you can't figure out the process. So all you have to do is simply open DramaBox, and from here you need to simply select the drama you want to save. So for example, I'm gonna select this drama. All right, so just select it. I'm gonna pause the video. So after selecting this episode, you will find a download option here. As you can see, you have to update your application. So before it was not present here, but after the current update, this button is present. All you have to do is tap here, and now you will find the membership. So yeah, you can only watch or download the episode if you subscribed DramaBox. So you have to subscribe here and take the membership. So yeah, all you have to do is simply purchase this membership, and after purchasing you can download any videos you want from our favorite DramaBox. So yeah, this is pretty much it. There is no other solution. You just have to subscribe and simply watch the videos. Okay, so yeah, hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and have a great day.